All right, folks, here's a Bitcoin Ethereum update for you. Obviously, Bitcoin's selling off a little bit this week. It's down about 8% here on the chart. We are actually right back around the place where we got our last signal here in March. So that came right here at around 65. If you entered on that signal that week, you're actually still in profit right now, just barely though. So again, we think the bottom was in back here in February. That is where this signal marked it, because when you get the signal down here, okay, you want to use the previous low as the bottom. The previous low was right here. Okay, right there at about 59,000. That was from February. So if you guys look back just a few months, I know it's crazy to zoom out of the chart sometimes, right? We trade a monthly and a weekly chart here. Okay, back here in February, we believe that was the bottom there at 59K. If that level breaks, okay, it's going to break. Okay, then we'll just reassess and see where the next green dot comes. But as of right now, okay, we're just sitting on our hands waiting for a signal to come back. Okay, so we got the red one last week. Again, that came right there around 74. It is down a little bit. You could have took a little bit off if you were scared, but I like where Bitcoin's sitting. Again, we like to buy into this 4-year average. Okay, that 4-year average is the blue line on our charts. Again, we never want to buy way up off the 4-year average, because that just means, hey, we're buying it at a premium, right? When we're way up off the mean, this is when everyone's excited about the asset. Everyone's jumping for joy. Everyone's having a good time, okay? The top came on Bitcoin back here in July. I mean, that's just, you can't argue with the data. 130 all the way down here to 63, and now we're just stuck in this range between 60 and 80,000. We're just going sideways, right? We're doing one of these. But what I do like about Bitcoin's chart is it's sitting on the average. Again, we don't want to buy when things are up off the average, because, again, that's when things are expensive. We want to buy into the average, okay? And the average that we use, the mean that we use, okay, we have 3 of them. We use a yearly, a 4-hour, and a 2-month. Okay, that's the 9. Okay, this is the 4-year. So when you come into that EMA on the 4-year, you're buying it at a fair price if you look at the data over the last 4 years. I know if you're on the 2-minute chart right now, you're probably losing your mind. Okay, but we're just zoomed out, right? We're just buying it at the 4-year average. The last time we touched the 4-year average was back here in 2023. We literally haven't touched it since. Okay. And now, again, we're right back into the 4-year. So if you believe Bitcoin's going to continue to grow and continue to go up and be adopted, then this is a good price. Okay, if you're looking at things from a long-term perspective. Okay, if you're looking at it from the day-to-day, oh my gosh, we're red this day, green this day, okay, you're probably freaking out. But again, we're zoomed out. We're buying it at a fair price. We know that. Okay, the next one's Ethereum. Ethereum's actually below, okay, this is actually below the 4-year. Okay, it's 24% below the 4-year moving average. Again, the last time we went below it, we had this huge move up from 1,500 all the way up to 5,000. Again, discounted prices, fair prices, expensive prices. Ethereum's trading at a discount right here. We're down here in despair on Ethereum.